How to unlock Android when you forgot the password. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To unlock Android device when you forget the password, the first method is you need to use Google's Find My Device. So, simply launch Find My Device and your device must be linked to a Google account. Your device must be turned on, connected to the internet, and have location enabled. You can even visit Google My Device on another device or computer. Sign in with your Google account linked to the locked phone and select the locked phone device from the list. And click Erase Data or Device to reshape the device to factory settings. This will delete all data but will unlock the phone. You can even use safe mode. If password is from a third-party application, you need to turn off your phone, hold the power button to turn it back on, then long press the volume down button as soon as the logo appears. And once in safe mode, uninstall the third-party lock screen app if used. Restart your phone to exit safe mode. Also, if none of this above method works, you need to contact manufacturer or authorized service center with proof of purchase for assistance. So, by following this way, you can unlock Android when you forget the password. That's it. Thank you for watching.